Well, happening now, fire crews are closely watching local forests after battling multiple sites of flames. Meteorologist Tyler Allender is here now with me to explain why the risk of wildfires is so great right now.
We're kind of in the heart of wildfire season in East Tennessee. Kind of happens in the fall and spring and our transition seasons when things tend to be drier. We have some low humidity and a little wind goes a long way in fanning those flames. So here's the reason why. Again, the low humidity, the warm breeze that we've had lately, and the dry stretch continues to make things a little difficult. So our wind gusts today on the order of 10, 15, 20, maybe 25 miles per hour, especially near I-81 and back to the northwest, closer to that next weather system moving through, which will give us rain, thankfully, tomorrow for at least many of us. We haven't seen any measurable rain since the first of the month. That's about 10 days without rain. The last time that happened was early October, but again, things about to change, and hopefully we can extinguish some of those fires that you see in red across the region.
Tyler, thank you for that explainer. And here's a look at where two fires were burning locally. One is in Sullivan County off of Keenberg Road. That's close to the Carter County line. The second fire is in Carter County along part of Tiger Creek Road. Smoke was also visible across much of our region because of a prescribed burn in North Carolina near Unicoi County. Those fires in the Tri-Cities region causing for volunteer fire departments to call in state and federal help to assist. Now, at one point, a chopper came in to drop water on the Tiger Creek fire. At last check, the Department of Forestry's website, the Tiger Creek fire is 30 acres and is 0% contained, but they say it is, quote, controlled.